In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Loom not loading. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Loom. You can use any search engine you like, such as Google or Bing. As you type Loom into the search bar, you'll see suggestions pop up. It's essential to ensure you're searching for the right application, as there are many other services with similar names. By accessing the official Loom website, you set the foundation for resolving any loading issues. You want to make sure you're visiting the correct site. This ensures you are getting accurate and safe information. Once you've completed your search, click the correct link that directs you to the Loom website. Look for the official site that typically appears at the top of the search results. This is crucial, as clicking on a misleading link may lead you to a different website that could cause more problems. When you reach the Loom homepage, you should see a straightforward interface with options to log in or sign up. This step is vital because navigating to the right site helps you avoid potential security risks and ensures a smoother experience. Next, log into your Loom account using your credentials. Enter your email and password in the designated fields. If you have trouble remembering your password, most platforms provide a password recovery option. After entering your information, click the Login button. This action is important as it connects you to your personalized Loom dashboard. Once logged in, you may see your videos, recordings, and other important data. This reassurance helps you feel confident that you're in the right place to troubleshoot the loading issue. If you find yourself staring at a spinning wheel on your browser dashboard, or if a specific video link won't buffer, it's time to try some web fixes. A spinning wheel often indicates that the page is struggling to load due to various reasons. This could be caused by slow internet speeds, browser settings, or even extensions interfering with the website's functionality. Recognizing this issue is critical as it guides you to take the necessary actions to restore functionality. Highly aggressive privacy extensions like uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, or Brave Shields frequently block Loom's video streaming scripts. To fix this, turn off your ad blocker for Loom.com and refresh the page. This step is crucial because these extensions can inadvertently disrupt Loom's ability to load its content. Disabling these extensions temporarily allows you to see if they are indeed the culprits behind the issue. Once you refresh the page, keep an eye out for any changes. Now, open an incognito or private browsing window and log into Loom. This mode disables most extensions and provides a clean slate for your browsing experience. When you enter this mode, you might notice the absence of toolbars and other distractions. This is important because it helps isolate the problem by ruling out any interference from extensions or cache data. If Loom loads successfully in this window, it indicates that your main browser settings might need adjustments. If it works in incognito mode, you need to clear your main browser's cookies and disable conflicting privacy extensions. Clearing your browser history and cache is a critical maintenance step that can resolve various loading issues. The cookies and cache often store outdated or corrupted data, which can hinder your browsing experience. By removing this data, you create a cleaner environment for Loom to operate smoothly. If you just finished a video and the processing page won't load, open your browser's extension settings. You can do this by clicking on the extension icon and then selecting the three-dot icon right beside it. This action is necessary because managing your extensions can significantly impact how web pages load. You want to ensure that nothing is blocking essential features, especially when Loom is processing your content. Next, click Remove on the extension that you suspect may be causing the issue. This step is straightforward but crucial. By removing potential blockers, you allow Loom to function as intended. You will see a confirmation appear, giving you peace of mind that the action was successful. Then reinstall the extension you just removed. This step can often refresh the extension and resolve any glitches that may have occurred. By reinstalling, you ensure that the latest version is in use, which can enhance compatibility with the Loom platform. If Loom won't let you select your camera or microphone, there's a good chance your computer or browser is actively blocking it. Look at the left side of your browser address bar. This area typically shows security settings and permissions related to the website you are visiting. Click the padlock or sliders icon right next to the Loom URL and make sure microphone and camera are toggled to allow. Refresh the page afterward. This final check is essential because it ensures Loom has the necessary permissions to access your devices. If these settings are incorrect, it can prevent you from using Loom effectively, leading to frustration. By following these steps, you ensure a smoother experience with Loom, allowing you to focus on creating and sharing your content without technical hurdles.